Introducing MetMo GTIP. Powerful grip. That's fun to use. Clamps in place. With precise auto-locking. Fun to fiddle with. Great for tight spots. Stainless steel construction. Piece of history. Re-engineered. Inspired by an antique tool that fell out of production over 90 years ago. Re equals designed with precision engineering. Machined from modern materials. Reassembled into a mighty grip. An industrial icon reborn in modern form. So you can fiddle, grip, and tinker. Designed to be a practical multi-tool that will give years of enjoyment.